Leo, Leo, Leo. Welcome po sa Scorps Wakaro. Welcome. Another reading. January 1 to 15. Yep. Another year. Panibagong panimula. So, shout out po ako sa mga fellow OFW. Welcome po. Welcome po. Sana ay masaya, malusog, at maraming pera. Tama po ba? Yes. Yan ang kailangan natin. Kaya tayo nagtatrabaho sa abroad. January 1 to 15. So, sa mga nasa Pilipinas, maligayang Pasko, advance reading po, Happy New Year. So, tignan natin. Tignan natin what to expect para sa 2026 January. Okay? So, panoorin niyo yung new moon and full moon reading ko. Baka meron po kayong ma-pick up dyan, Leo. Okay? Yes. Okay, simulan na natin. What Leo needs to know. Tignan natin yung storyboard ni Leo. Tignan natin, fire energy, fire sign, mga independent, very independent people. Leo, what Leo needs to know, January 1 to 15. January 1 to 15. Yeah, okay, offer. Pag-ibig, may connection, yung pangarap mo, gusto mo nang tumawid doon. Wala nang pagpipigil. Yeah? Tignan natin. Ano yung ibig sabihin yan? Sino yung gusto mong puntahan dito? Yeah, yung nililigawan mo, yung girlfriend mo, gusto mo nang to move to a different level of relationship. Yeah, kung sa trabaho, gusto mo rin pagtiyagaan yung trabaho maski na hindi maganda dahil practical tayo. Yeah, yung sabi ng full moon, yung ating survival instinct, maging practical tayo. Yes? Okay. January 1 to 15. What Leo needs to know. What Leo needs to know. What Leo needs to know. Yeah, okay. Alam ko napapagod ka. Wounded warrior. Ace of One, hawak mo. Okay? Meron kang connection. Okay, ito is kaya sinabi ko, maski na hindi ka masaya doon sa sitwasyon, pipilitin mo. Yeah? Okay, to move to, I consider it parang emotional maturity. Emotional maturity. 2026, big shift. Madami pong mangyayari. Lilitaw yung mga kalokohan, yung mga nangyayari sa politika. Okay? So, maging ready po tayo. Be prepared for Year of the Fire Horse. Tignan natin. Leo, fire sign, agresibo, contain mo lang yung emotion, yung passion. Tignan pa natin yung storyboard. Napagod ka. Lahat tayo lumalaban tayo. Life journey po yan. Tignan natin. May darating na emotional connection, offer. May bumaliktad ba? Okay. Ituloy natin, Leo. Give me blind spot. What Leo needs to know. Give me one card. Blind spot. What Leo needs to know. Bigyan mo ako ng isa. One card. Oops. Wait. Okay. Madami tong ibinigay. Basahin natin. Isa-isa. Okay. Sorry, Leo. Okay, yeah. Card mo. Okay, higher purpose. Strength card. Ituloy mo pa rin to. Ituloy mo pa rin yung sitwasyon na maski na hindi ka masaya, na feeling mo na out of place ka, okay, because of this Nine of Swords. This is Wounded Warrior, sabi ko nga po, okay? Isa na lang at magiging 10 at saka home run ka. You're in the home run. Yan ang meaning niyan, okay? So, you still need to push, okay? May spill over to ng 2025. I can sense. That's why I have the strength card here. Knowing your higher purpose again, okay? Yung mukhang ito yung tema for 2026, higher purpose. Kasi There's a lot of big shift na lilitaw lahat yung mga kalokohan, yung mga negative sa nangyayari sa situation. Now, it's time to reassess also yung ating sitwasyon personally, yeah? So yung full moon, ang mensahe niya is survival instinct at saka yung balance and at the same time renewal. So renewal, hindi natin ma-achieve yung renewal kung hindi po natin alam ano ba talaga ang gusto ko. Yeah, those are the questions na kailangan din natin masagot. Nandiyan yung mga kaya yung mga nagnanakaw, you know, walang trabaho pero it doesn't mean na dahil sa mahirap ang buhay, you gonna do a lot of yung mga kalokohan na ganoon. Tama po ba? So, hindi nila alam yung purpose nila eh. Mahirap po ang buhay. Pero it doesn't mean you gonna go to that direction of na masama. Tama po ba? Yeah. Ano po yan? Free will. Okay? So, itong Leo na ito, you still need to keep that contained, that i-bottled up mo yung emotion mo maski na napapagod ka, maski na misang galit ka, masama ang loob mo, siguro iyakan mo na lang ito. That's how I can say. Okay, see? Minsan ang haba-haba. Cycle po ng buhay natin. Okay? Towards January 1, simula pa lang po yan ng taon. Okay? That was sinasabi ko, we always start the year right. Yeah? I-plant mo. Nagsisimula tayo palagi sa pangarap. Yes? Okay. You're gonna have that cycle again of prosperity and abundance. Yeah? And big ship po ito, major arcana, you have one strength here. So meaning, mo pa rin, itaas mo pa rin yung higher vibration mo na definition mo what life is all about. Whatever is not working, halimbawa, nagbabago lahat. Yes? This is about change of mindset. Sword, headspace. Sa isip lang yan. Sa isip lang yan. Hindi nangyayari yan. Tayo, nag-overreact tayo sa dami ng pollution ng mga balita. You know, sa dami ng pollution, you're starting to ask, napapagod ka. This is stressful. And you want to end that situation na puro ganito na lang ako. Ayaw na natin yan. Yes? Ayaw na natin yan. Ibibigay sa yan. That's how nandito yung the wheel of fortune na ito. If this is monetary or struktura ng buhay mo na puro na lang kahirapan, I'm not saying po nababagsak yung pera sa langit, pero the universe is telling this Leo na nasa harapan ko, it will change. More love coming in. Hindi ito yung love ng boy to boy, girl to girl. Okay? The connection na nandiyan na yung makikita yung effort na ibinigay mo. Ayan, nakatingin siya dito. Oh. Yung effort mo. Sabi, Leo, alam ko napapagod ka. Kung yung amo mo, hindi kumikibo, pero nakikita nila yan. Just keep that, facade of you are strong outside, maski na umiiyak ka sa loob. Kasi, nandoon yung pundasyon. Pundasyon po yan, proseso. Matatapos din yung pinoproblema. Naglalaro palagi sa isip, headspace, okay? From 9 to 10, okay? That is your blind spot. Lahat po tayo, pag may pamilya ka, kailangan mong pagpadala ng, tuition fee. Yes, pero kailangan pa rin natin kumain. Tama po ba? At fellow OFW, tama po ba? Okay, na magbabayad ka pa rin ng mo. Kailangan mo pa rin magsumakay ng taxi para pumunta sa opisina, yeah? At mag-commute. Wala nga lang bahasa ba't sana pinagtatrabahuhan natin now. Pero pag umuwi ka sa gabi, nag-iisip ka pa rin. Nag-iisip ka pa rin, maski na nasa ang lugar ka. Tama? Yeah. Keep that fire, Leo. Okay, ito yung card mo ito knowing yourself. True worth, higher purpose. Yes, yung purpose mo. I-drawing mo yan, assignment. Yan ang assignment ko palagi. Gusto nyo makita yung life journey nyo for 2026? Ipakita natin. Itong problema na ito, looking back, 2 years ago, ibang na namang klaseng problema. News. Yeah? One baby step at a time. Yung itinanim mo, plant, 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 bagong taon, bagong panimula, sabi ng bata, yung bata simple mag-isip, Leo. Okay? Sabi ng bata, Leo, kapag gusto kong bumili ng bagong sapatos, hihingi ako ng allowance sa nanay at tatay ko, itatabi ko yun para makabili ako ng bagong sneaker o bagong, ano ba ito? Ano, yeah. Mga millennials, mga Gen X, Gen Y, Gen Z, yeah? Iba-iba tayo ng taon po ng pinanganak. Yes? So, this is maturity. This is emotional maturity. Yes, infrastruktura. Yeah? Structure ng buhay po natin yan. Yes? Cycle yan. So, January 1 to 15, kung pera, financial, ipon-ipon, yung tipong one baby step at a time. Ito yung ultimate goal mo towards end of the year. Yeah. So, in between ng buhay natin, ito po. So, parang ano na ito yearly reading na ni Leo Yeah, okay, ito ka. Napagod at magtatrabaho, one baby step at a time. Nag-overtime, nangutang, inaway, nakipag-away, pinasan, umiyak. Hawak mo yung alas, nandito ka, winner ka. Okay? In between ng buhay mo, starting January, preparation, you need to know yourself. You need to know yourself. Okay? Higher purpose, higher vibration. Okay? I'm not saying na itong Leon nga sarap po na hindi mo alam yung gusto mo. Okay? You know why? Na kailangan mong you know what i-drawing mo. Okay. You see that infinity symbol? Yeah? That's the sign of abundance. That's the sign of abundance. Yeah? Infinite possibility. Nasa iyo po yan. Nasa iyo yan, Leo. At hawak mo rin yung ace. Kung naghahanap ka na naman ng atensyon, minsan madrama din si Leo Okay? So, tao lang po tayo. I understand that. Yes? Yung hinahanap mong atensyon, makukuha mo. Relationship, iakma po natin yung reading sa sitwasyon natin. Nandiyan pa rin yung pagmamahal na hinahanap mo, yung atensyon. Nandiyan. Hindi nawawala. Mas lalo pang may intensify towards January, beginning of the year. Pero sabi dito, hawak mo yung alas, Leo, simplify. Simplify things and you're gonna win it big. You're gonna win it big. Walang problema pong umiyak. Walang problema. There's nothing wrong on that. Hindi weakness yan. Hindi weakness. Hindi weakness. Yeah? Hindi kahinaan yan. Hindi kahinaan. But you're gonna win it big. Okay? So, ilagay ko siya dito. Tingnan pa natin. Meron pa siyang gustong sabihin. Ilagay ko siya dito. Okay, ilang major arcana meron ka? 2. Okay. Meron pa siyang gustong sabihin. Okay, bigyan pa natin ng isang I just want to see the outcome. I just want to see validation. Leo. Okay. Mabigat palagi yung reading ni Leo. Bigyan natin ng magandang New Year reading ang kapatid nating Leo. Okay, one more shuffle. One more shuffle. Okay. Bigyan natin one more blind spot. One more blind spot, Leo. Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Tignan natin. Blind spot, blind spot. Let's see. Leo. Blind spot. What Leo needs to know. 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 Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Blind spot. Give me one blind spot. Blind spot. One lang. One card lang. One card. Yeah? Okay. Isa yung tumaob. Okay? Ayusin ko para makita nyo nga ito lang yung tumaob. Yeah? Okay. Knights of Cup. Okay? So, lumitaw na naman siya. Validation. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Itabi ko siya. Yeah? Ano pang gusto mo? Okay. Uulitin lang ng taro. I use different deck po. Kasi para ma-validate ko. So, nagsimula tayo sa Knight of Cups. Natapos din tayo sa Knight of Cups. So, in between, ikaw ito, Leo. Yeah? Ikaw ito. Okay? Nakaharap sa'yo. Okay, I think very, sa itong significant itong Year of the Horse. Yes? Meron bang Year of the Horse na ipinanganak sa inyo? Okay? Or meron ka bang connection sa ipinanganak ng Year of the Horse? Yeah? So, yun ang nakikita ko. Love is, surrounding you. Ayan, parang protected ka. Parang protected ka na somebody pinanganak sa Year of the Horse. O doon ka humuhugot sa isa sa mga member ng family mo na Year of the Horse. Ayan, nagkaharapan sila, Yeah, you are protected. Yeah? This is, yung kung sino man tong knight na ito, yeah? Siya, abundant ito. Parang masabaw ito at masagana. Yeah? Hindi lang pag-ibig. Kung hindi, nandito siya sa two different continent. Ito, very green itong paligid niya, That, pinag-uusap ko minsan yung card. That's how tarot, minsan messaging, get the subliminal meaning. Yeah? Ito ikaw, Leo. Okay? Namumroblema, umiiyak. Umiyak ka. No problem. Ayan pa rin sabi nga, Leo, huwag kang panghina. Okay? Nandyan yung emotional anchor. Yeah? Emotional support yan. Keep that fire burning. January 1 to 15. Know your higher purpose. Know your higher purpose. Stay humble. You're gonna win it big. You're gonna win it big. Yeah? Major ship. Babagsak yan. Hindi po literally babagsak, pero yung offer na ito, maaring it's a new job, it's a new anything, new business. Yeah, may connection. Lahat po. Walang mag-o-offer sa'yo kung pag walang connection o walang trust. Yeah, tiwala ito. There's is tiwala. Yeah, tipong, halimbawa, kaklase. Ay, sabi nga na, meron, Leo, kailangan mo ba ng trabaho or something? O baka gipit ka? Yan. Ganyan yan. Yung help, may connection yun. Hindi tayo hindi mo tutulungan yung nanghihingi sa tulong kung hindi mo kakilala or, tama po ba? Kung wala kang ipinrenda, may tiwala pa rin po yun na hindi ka tatakbo. Ganun po yan. That's how it works. That's what life is all about. Naka-istruktura tayo ng society. So, hindi natin matakasan. So, yeah, this is a beautiful reading. Good start. Good start for 2026, Leo. Okay? Huwag kang panghinaan. Huwag kang panghinaan. Yeah? Yan na ang sinasabi ng universe. Okay. One oracle card. One last oracle moon card. Tingnan natin. One last oracle. Tingnan natin si Leo. Bigyan natin ng positive reading si Leo. Okay. One moon oracle. Isa lang po. Isa lang. Yeah. Okay. Galit na galit. Dark moon. Okay. Lahat tayo may dark moon. Yeah. Ano to? Inner work po ito. Sabi dito, spend time in contemplation and meditation in order to seek greater understanding of yourself and those around you. Yeah? Tama ba? Sinabi ko na higher purpose. Okay, hindi po natin matatakasan yan. Okay? So, kapag hindi natin alam talaga kasi kung ano po yung gusto, mahihilaw tayo, i-ano mo yan, i-manifest mo na yan, hindi lang, but you have to work also. Yun, wag mong ano, wag ano tayo, mahirap ang buhay, mahirap po ang buhay, yeah? So, yes, so, January 1 to 15, this is positive, this is still positive, very positive, sabi ko sa'yo, Leo. Yeah, so, yeah, sana po nag-enjoy kayo, salamat po.